Hello students, here is Marisha. Today we are going to study about monitors. Monitors in OS. Let's see what does it mean. Monitors are the synchronization construct that were created to overcome the problems caused by the semaphore, such as the timing error. See, monitor is in programming language, we can say programming language concept used to provide the process synchronization. In simple words, we can say also that is provide the process synchronization. So that is this concept is introduced in the monitor that is in 1974 and 1975 around. Monitors are the abstract data types that contain the shared data variables and the procedure. So in short, we can say monitor is a collection of variables, procedures and condition variables. So the shared data variables cannot be directly accessed by the process and the procedure. So thus are required to allow the single process to access the shared data variables at a time. So in a different language have their own syntax to implement the monitors. So to get the understanding of the monitor, we will see the general syntax of a monitor. So let's see monitor space monitor name, then data variables, or we can say shared variables declaration or condition variable declaration, and procedure, then body of procedure, procedure 2 up to procedure n. The body of procedure we have to declare over here in the brackets. Initialization code, that is over. Okay, so this is the general syntax of monitor. A process cannot access the monitor data and variables directly, we have already seen. So access the data and process has to call the procedure. We have to call the procedure. We cannot directly call the variables. That's why we have to make a procedure. Okay. So only a procedure defined in the monitor can access the monitor's internal data. For the internal data, we have to define the procedure in monitor. That is the shared data. Procedures defined the outside of the monitor cannot be accessed the monitor internal data. Yes, if we have declared the procedure outside of the monitor, then we cannot access the data variables of the data, right? So procedure defines the outside of the monitor, that is cannot access the data variable, the internal data we can say. So here the procedure is quite similar to a function or method supported by the programming language. Let's see. For example, at any instance, one procedure or we can say one process cannot be active in a monitor. So this property allows the monitor to achieve the mutual exclusion. And we have already seen the mutual exclusion, that means at the same time only one process can be active in a critical section. Along with the mutual exclusion, condition variables allows to the process to get the blocked when it called by the process. Only two operations, wait and signals. Yes, we have to consider the two variables in this method, monitor, waiting and signal, that can be performed on the conditional variables. If monitor procedure performs a wait operation on a conditional variable, then a calling the process will get blocked. It will be wake up and continue its execution when signal operations on that condition variable is performed by the procedure that is invoked by some other process. So as we have described earlier, a monitor is a programming language concept, and many languages such as Java, Mesa, C# provides a support to monitor. For example, Java provides synchronized method to provide the synchronization along the threads of a signal process. So all languages are not support this concept. For example, C, Pascal and many languages don't provide the support of monitor. See, only one process can be active, we have already seen at a time. Another process need to be access the shared variable in the monitor, have to line up in the queue, and there are the provided access when the previous process release the shared variable. In short, the process can active in a monitor at a time, only one. Okay. So applications developed with this language cannot be used to monitor to achieve the mutual exclusion or process synchronization. So this is about the monitors. Hope you understand, and this is the most time questions in GTU exam also. What do you mean by the monitors? I explain in detail. Thank you.